boss, what is this thing supposed to be again? This is a grinder. Where you put your junk and you don't overfill the trash can. I feel like this is stupid. And why is it behind an acid dump? You know why? So, yeah, get to throwing. When I get back, all of this stuff must be gone. Okay, test out the shredder, and there's a mannequin over here. Anyways, see you later. Bye. I guess we start with the door. Yes. Oh, wow. I'm surprised that thing didn't break the machine. God damn it, I do it. Good job, dude. You just wasted one of our goddamn resources for you. I'm out. Hold on, let me see if this thing's actually good. Hold on. Is this thing actually working? Or is it just fun? Bro, don't get too in. Don't get too deep. Ah, shit! What happened? Johnny, close your eyes. Go away. Okay. I don't want to touch it. Oh god. Pull it out. Oh. Oh my god. Oh shit. Hide evidence. God. I'm sorry, God. I'm sorry. Oh god. Oh, dude. Oh, wow. I didn't want to do this. Oh shit. Oh, wow. Ding dong. What do I do? Hey, I'm back. What did you guys do with this stuff? Why is this stuff still here? Where is Mike? He's inside. Inside where? The fucking machine? No. No. Oh. How did he even? Why? Why would he go in here? Why? I don't know. He wanted to see if it was working. Of course it's fucking working. Oh my. Boss them don't. How about you go check it out, you son of a bitch? Die. Wait. Oh. What it gets for being a shitty ass boss all these years. How about I shove this cookie up your ass? Fucking Christ. Huh? Oh, John, you killed him? Hey, listen, I didn't, he was a bad man. He was a bad man, right? Am I right or am I right? Hey, come. I'm not gonna hurt you, okay? Where the fuck did you get it down? Shut up, I need to come to cops.